What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be doing a day in the life of a scammer because I'm ordering different things. So let's get on to the video. More orders. Let's see. A cupcake squishy, which is $15. Oh, I mean it has some defect, but she wants a donut squishy. I have a really good one, but she wants slow rising. Slow rising. I don't have a slow rising one. I mean, I do, but it's not slow rising. It has defect, but she should be grateful. A girl ninja. She didn't say if it was stuffed animal, but magnetic slime. Magnetic clay, same thing. Magic 8-ball. Frozen. Sky blue. Sky turquoise slime. Oh, sorry guys. I'm so sorry. Yeah. And then Jojobo. And then she wants extras. What? Okay, this kazoo thingy. Nail polish. Some rubber bands thingies. Cream. So yeah. Oh yeah. No refunds? Okay, yeah. No refunds. Put it in the mail. Oh my gosh, guys, guess what? I just got my slime package. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay. So, oh god. Okay, Slime City, get over it. I advise to go buy from her probably. Cupcake squishy, which is $15. You guys get first look. Okay, cupcake squishy. Found it. Don't know why it's in the bag, but it's good. Oh my god. I asked for no defect. I'm sorry if you can't. That is defect, and that is defect. This is major defect. Donut squishy. And I wanted this slow rising. And this is not slow rising. What the freak? This is defected too. I mean, it's fun squishing and all, but it's only not really slow rising at all. The Girl Ninja, $25. Donut squishy, $10. Really? Yes. It's not even squishy or anything. Magnetic slime, which is $35. Better be good. does not work. That I'm not even gonna risk to break it. Okay, the googly eye just came out. You hear that? Oh, this is okay. It doesn't even make noise. Okay. Magic 8 Ball. Okay, I asked for a regular. This is frozen. Did I get scammed? Did I get scammed, Magic 8 Ball? I'm not gonna joke, I promise you. It says, you may rely on it. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it. You can't, but I'm not joking. It says, you may rely on it. This is like the best thing for now. Sky turquoise slime. Must be this one. This has to be an extra though. I asked for completely large. Well, it didn't stick to the carpet or anything like that. I mean, it's a little good. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, so I have some lotion because, I mean, it's pretty decent. I'm going to put some on the surface. Oh, this feels weird. This is a little much, but it will dissolve in, you know. You know how lotion does with slime. Feels good. If it was too much, I'll just wipe down on my surface. Okay, so it's now mixing in. The best thing would probably just keep squeezing it and doing that. Even if it's like doing weird stuff. Just do it. Because it will eventually dissolve in. Okay. Look at that, guys. Lotion really helps. You have to put like a lot. But I think it really... Okay, so it's really stretchy now. Pokey could do better. Dare me? Yeah, just a little bit. On the surface, and then a little bit. Right. Did you see the rocket go up, guys, tonight? Yesterday? I watched it in computer class. It's really cool. It landed right in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean, and it on a boat thing. Not exactly a boat. It's weird, and it drives itself back to shore. Falcon Heavy. Okay, so I'm just going to let this sit for a little while. Let's go on to the next thing. And then the JoJo bow. This is cute. Oh my gosh, this is so cute, guys. My hands are all lotiony. You guys know I'm trying so hard. And then extras. What the freak? It's a New Year's Eve celebration thing. Rubber bands, nail polish, and a crayon, guys. A crayon. Well, this might have been my best thing. Guys, this is very stretchy now. Thank you, lotion. This is Mango Mandarin Bath and Body Works. And it smells really good. I mean, the cookies are way better. I won't deny. That's it. When I first made a slime like this, it was really good. And then it turned out like this. Exactly. Slime like that. So, yeah. It's our sister Ariel. Oh yeah, let's see for the swirl of this baby. How to make a swirl, just keep doing this. And once you think you have enough lines, just do that, okay? Like a swirl. I'll show you guys. Sorry guys, I zoned out on the slime. So you do that, like, then it will form bubbles on the inside, and then that's why you don't poke it. It's a little stiff, but I'll accept it. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed the spoof. Click the like button and subscribe. Peace.